camp. It actually was comfortable. I was warm all night, even though it got down into mid 50s. But I use this. This is what I would sleep in near zero. This thing really keeps you warm. It's a sleeping bag. It compresses down, smaller than a football. But right now, light, knife, flashlight, just everything's right here and available, and I hang it on here. Wallet and stuff all goes up there. We gotta get out of here. Teddy's already up and moving around. Get the drink. There's Teddy. So it's not that bad of a camp. But it's quick. And sometimes you need quick. Sometimes quick. After a long day, your accommodations really don't matter. You're just ready to go to bed. And the scenario for yesterday was, I didn't know. And the guy seemed really cool, and he is cool. But I've been around people that come off as being really cool, and then things change really quick. But this guy is quite the character, just as you would say I am. And so I believe he's in there making something to eat. But it's beautiful out here today. Oh God. Oh man. And I think he said something about making something to eat, but man, that was super comfortable. And that's the way I like to do it. See, what happens here is, not only am I undercover, but my bike's hidden. Nobody knows what this is. When this is all pulled down and all buttoned up, nobody knows what that is. You couldn't tell me what that is. Especially at night. And it's in dark. So the nice thing about it is when you flip it for the dark, you're hidden during the night, and it will it'll pull the heat in the morning, so it warms you up right away. We partied a little bit last night. Phew, that was entertaining. I guess I showed you a little bit on the start of it, and the rest of it's just private. Went into a little spiritual thing with him, and I'm sure there's that. But anyway, Guadalajara. I'm about 2 hours away. Beautiful. And this is his place. Mi amigo.
Hey.
Oh yeah, that's fresh. How do you keep it so cold? Just in here? Did you just go to the store?
Papel.
Put the paper.
Estaba enredado. Ajá.
Sit this down right here.
¿Está grabando?
Huh? Ah, yeah. Yeah. And so it's different than a hot dog.